Hey, do you have issues with Messenger stories? Well, here's how you can fix them. So make sure you give this video a like because it really helps me out. So to fix Messenger story not showing, you want to go on your profile photo. You want to go down to preferences and select this option called story. You click on it. As you can see, you have a bunch of options. Who can see your story? Forget about this. Hi story from. That's not important. But check the last one, stories you've muted. So basically, here is a list of people's stories that you've muted. So if you're not seeing a friend's story, it might be because you muted him. So if that doesn't help, what you can do is go on settings. You can click go on general, go down to iPhone storage, and then you want to find Instagram. You want to click on it and offload the app, which will basically clear the cache. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give it a like. See you next video.